Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a quick video on AN lines and how to assemble them, because I've noticed a lot of YouTubers do this the wrong way. I just wanted to, make it easier for people. When you get your AN hose, this is 6AN or -6 hose. What you will find is when you get it, usually they'll put black tape or masking tape like this on the end. So you take that off first. You don't want any of that on here. Then you remove the collar from your fitting. It doesn't matter if you have a 90-degree fitting like this, a 45, or a straight, or 180, whatever. You take this end off, which is what I've done here. You stick it on the end of your hose. Now, this is the part everybody messes up. You're not supposed to turn these clockwise. Clockwise would be this way. They go counterclockwise, and I see like a lot of YouTubers struggling to get this stuff on the line going this way, and trying to force the threads into the jacket. And if you look in there, you'll notice I've already bottomed out. You can't go any further than that. That's as tight as this gets. That's how you assemble that. You put a little bit of lube on the tip of here, perhaps. It's optional. Some people recommend doing it. The materials that come with these fittings, if you get them from Russell or Earl's or any of the companies, they usually recommend to put some lube on the end here so it doesn't mess up the hose too bad. I like to put a little bit on there as well, but pretty much the big point of it was that this threads this way, and if you want to take it off, you go clockwise. See, watch, I'll actually get this to come all the way out. See, so these spin the other way like that. And so if you're having trouble putting these on, just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.